Hi, this is Kathy at inkingpaperwithkat.com. Today's project is a tall box that is meant to hold a Pez dispenser. This is the Finding Dory Pez dispenser. So I wanted to do a bag so I could send this off to my grandkids. Let's get started. For today's project, you need a piece of DSP that is 12 by 10.5 inches. This is affectionately yours. You need a piece of cardstock, Watermelon Wonder, that is 2 by 7 inches. You need a piece of Whisper White that is 1.5 by 6.5. Some ribbon and twine, scissors, and adhesive. Let's get out our Simply scoreboard. And we'll bring this in a little. On the long side, which is the 12-inch side, we are going to score at 1.5. Turn it to the short side, and we are going to score at 1.5, 5, 6.5, and 10. And that's all of our scoring done. Let's fold and burnish. I saw these Pez dispensers with the Finding Dory. I knew I had to send them off to the kids. And since I like to send everything in some sort of special packaging, I had to come up with a rather tall box to accommodate it. Alright, that's our scoring done. We need to remove this small rectangle at the bottom. We need to cut up these score lines. We're going to take a small wedge off of this tab. And off of this one. This is a really fast project. There's nothing complicated about it. Alright, we're going to put snail along that piece, and since this is DSP and it's paper to paper, snail is fine. If you wanted to, you could use tear and tape, Tombow, fast fuse, but I find snail works just fine. Fold in your sides. This is the front of the box. Line everything up. Pinch in your sides. And then with a handheld 1/4-inch punch, we are just going to put one hole right there in the top for our ribbon. Just kind of eyeball the center. Okay, let's work on our stamping. So we have a piece of Watermelon Wonder and we have a piece of Whisper White, and we're going to stamp on the Whisper White. We are using the pun intended stamp set. This is a hostess gift. If you spend $150, then this is an option of something that you could get. It's really cute. It's got a lot of cute little sayings on it. We're going to use the light bulb which is adorable because the filament actually says love, and we are using the I Love You a What. We're going to use black archival ink. And because these are photopolymer, we can see through to line up our stamp where we want it. Now we want to leave some room on the bottom so we can flag that bottom. Give it a good press. There we go. I also want to use a little bit of Wink of Stella to give the actual light bulb some sheen. All right. Let's take our scissors and we are just going to make a cut up the center. And then in from the corner, in from the other corner. And we are going to do the same thing on this one. In from the corner. From the other corner. And then these will just layer. Alright, we need to punch a hole. And because I want this to serve double duty, not only as the greeting, I also want this to be a bookmark that can be used later. We are going to thread a ribbon on to this before we attach it to our package. We just folded our ribbon in half, feed the tails through the loop, and there we have it. Alright, let's put our Pez dispenser on the inside. And what we are going to do is we're going to take some twine. We're going to feed it through the front. Feed it through the back. Because this bag is so tall, it's really hard to get it in a position where you can see it. We're going to feed it back through the front. So now we've got both pieces coming through that front hole. We are going to lay our bookmark down and we are going to tie our twine around the ribbon and pull until our bag is closed. A little bow. Maybe a little bow. There we go. Let's trim our ribbons up a bit. Just with our bow a little. And there you have it. Pez dispenser bag with an attached bookmark. I hope you enjoyed the project and I'll see you soon.